Saundarya Sharma, thank you so much for joining me on E-Times.
Thank you.
Well, where are you?
Thank you for having me. Yes. Well, I am in Banaras. I came here for the shoot of my show Raktanchal, and since now it's lockdown, so we're kind of stuck here.
Yes, that's the MX Player show. And
Yes.
let's begin by asking you, did you expect that a part two will be made?
Yes, I knew that it's going to be made, but then I wasn't sure because competition is such with OTT. There's so much content coming in.
Mhm.
It totally depends on how audience response is. Like I knew it's inspired from true events, the story which we are doing, and it's quite controversial, and which gets murkier in season two and further. So, but then it totally again depends. It's makers' call, final call that whether they want to take it ahead and platforms call. But I'm glad that the audience liked it, and season two is being made because season two is about me.
Great. So when did the call come to you?
When I was in Los Angeles last year,
Stuck
after
in
shooting for
pandemic.
season one, yes, I had gone to Los Angeles. I was studying acting there. So at least Strasbourg and New York Film Academy. Then I was stuck for the longest, and finally they told me around June or July, May show release हुआ था. In July they told me that you have to come. We are shooting for season two. So I was like, okay, great. But then I couldn't come, and finally I came back in October.
Okay. So you are playing a politician in this?
Gee, it's about it's about this girl who is in love with this person who wants to just have एक normal लड़की जो होती है. It's set in 80s and 90s. So उसका बस यही dream है कि she has to marry the lover and have a very settled life. But then she comes from a political family, and it's based on true events. So she gets into the politics and how she takes it forward, and running the entire state even right now.
Tough and challenging, especially considering the fact that it has come relatively early in your career.
Yes, very challenging, but I so badly wanted to do it. I got very excited when I heard because एक तो दो चीजें थी. पहला सीजन वन में बहुत ज्यादा नहीं था. It was more of a gangster saga, revenge story, this and that. But then season two, I was badly waiting because क्या होता है ना कि the kind of pictures you post on Instagram, the kind of image as a newcomer, as an actor, as an outsider, you've been told and forced कि अच्छा ऐसे करो ये करो typecast होगा ये होगा. But as a performer कोई आपको बहुत ज्यादा नहीं बताता है कि you have to play such great characters to come across as a very good performer. So I'm very blessed that I got this part, and the makers saw my performance. I've only done a film, Ranchi Diaries, and I didn't want to do anything random. I wanted to tell people that I can perform.
So challenging also in the aspect what you are saying is that so far you were always seen as a glamorous girl, and
Yes,
the role comes as a diametrically opposite to that.
entirely opposite. It's like I'm a medical student and I'm getting into acting now. So like it's two poles apart. It's exactly the same thing.
But वो तो था ना, you were chasing dentistry and you landed up becoming an actor.
Yeah, but I finally have my degree as well.
Yeah, you have the degree, so you have the glamorous
Yeah.
roles intact. They have not gone anywhere.
Yeah, I know. But I'm so glad that I'm doing this because I'm also learning so many things during the process. And this is what even I want to see myself as an actor on screen.
What made you go for that formal, course in acting to the US?
You know, since I have a very logical brain, for me, it's like if you want to become a doctor, engineer, or anything, your candidature has to be there, right? You cannot become a doctor without a degree. So I feel as an actor, two things are there. Either you're an actor or you're not an actor. So if you're an actor, you can polish your skills. If you're not an actor, nobody can instill acting in you in this entire world. So somehow I figured that, okay, I can act. And I had this reality check when I used to go for my workshops here at NSD. I was told, okay, you can do better, you can do things. So when I came to Bombay, I used to go for auditions. So जब किसी को लेना नहीं होता ना आपको, so they say, अरे आप ये course कर लो, वो workshop कर लो, you need to do this, you need to do that. Apart from whatever things of being an outsider, ये वो. So I decided that, I really want to work on myself so that tomorrow nobody can get up and say, oh, you don't know this. And also I wanted to improve because if I am here, I'm leaving my profession, leaving my city, leaving my parents, coming here, I better do something good. So I thought that, I must just work on myself and it will make me more confident. And it's always learning. It's always like you get better with learning.
So two questions follow, Saundarya. Are you hinting that
Ji.
the auditions that you underwent became a very tough uphill task at one point? Because
Yes.
you had a glamorous image. And,
Yes.
and
It
you go to the US specifically to be taken seriously now.
Yes, absolutely. And also, I was like, I want to explore Hollywood as well because my upbringing has started more from Hollywood films. Because the idea of acting in 90s and early 2000s, apart from a few films, it didn't come to me the kind of films we were making in Bollywood. So my thought process was entirely different towards acting. I was more serious into, oh, but ek hota hai na ki jaise, oh, you want to hold an image as well. You look good. So in a manner, you cannot forcefully portray yourself as a documentary kind of an actor or very sari clad person. You come across as your age, right? I cannot force myself. So yeah, that was one of the reasons. I was like, I want to be taken seriously, and also I want to learn. So अगर आपको कुछ जिंदगी में अच्छा करना है, so you think what is the best thing in the world you would do? Because I was done listening from people that आप ये कर लो, वो कर लो, ये नहीं किया, इसका बेटा उसकी बेटी. I was like, at least this is one step which is in my hand. So I started saving money, and I decided that I will go and I will learn and do whatever best I can, at least to have a good kickstart and to learn.
So are you telling me that you were getting roles which were like sister's role or bhabhi's role, like when you say iski beti ban jao, secondly, thirdly?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, इसकी बेटी उसकी बेटी. नो, इसकी बेटी उसकी बेटी का मतलब है कि if you don't have a background and you're a glamorous person, then you are being told, because there's no one to call for you even if you're good at audition. There's no one to support you. कि कैसे चलता है हमारे इंडिया में, अरे यार देख लो वो आई है, उसका ऑडिशन अच्छा था, ले लो, नहीं नहीं हमारे पास ये प्रेफरेंस है. दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स. So I was like, I want to bag. अभी कमी क्या है समझ नहीं आ रहा. So at least I'll now have a degree. Now people say looks, I have the looks. Now what next? That way. But yeah, preference is always given to people who come with a reference. I'll be honest.
So you're telling me that indirectly you faced also an uphill task because you were an outsider.
Absolutely. I did. I mean, there is no hiding in it. I'll be very candid with you. I'm glad that OTT has come, at least people like me, and there are many, many more talented girls and guys who are out there. It has nothing to do with industry, non-industry. Even in industry, there are people who are still struggling. They're not even being taken seriously. But at least with OTT platform, we are given chances and you audition, and then they're like, okay, fine, she's done this. Okay, she's given good audition. So you're taken more seriously. We have bigger platform. Earlier, it used to be just theatricals.
Tell me instances where you were almost selected and then the rug was pulled beneath your feet.
Recently was a very big super duper hit of last year. I mean, before pandemic. And I was finalized for that movie. Everything was sorted. And a month before, I was told that a call was made. And then they said that, we have our own girl, since it's a very big star, superstar, he's there. And we can't just have anybody random. And we have somebody, why to have a new girl? Abhi करते हैं इसको किसी और में ले लेना. I was devastated beyond words. But then you don't have anybody to reach out to speak your heart out, because if you say, then mom dad will say, okay, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, keep trying. They feel helpless, right? Because उनका बच्चा तो hard work कर रहा है ना. The competition is not only limited to talent level पे होता तो समझ में आता. It's to various levels.
So did you try to argue with them? Did you try to convince them?
No, I did not, because I didn't have the courage to go and speak up, because I was always told and suppressed by people जो apparent आपके so called बोलते रहते हैं लोग, जो आपको पता भी नहीं कि वो सही है या नहीं, कि if you do that you'll be outcast, you'll be like segregated and futuristic. कभी अगर consider भी करना होगा तो नहीं करेंगे, that ये तो बोलती है बहुत ज्यादा या बता देती है ऐसे कुछ. So that time, so I was like, okay, fine. एक सहम जाते हो आप, because आपका the dream is just there. So you don't know how to, it's a mixed emotion. But now it has made me stronger. I'm glad that happened, because honestly, on personal level, it's made me stronger, and that's my survival instinct.
Did the actress who replaced you belong to a film family?
Yeah.
But she had done roles before.
Yes. Only because of the reference and the fact that she belonged to the lobby and um, a family. I have nothing against her or anybody for that matter. Of course, anybody would get platform. I understand. But my only thing is, a platform should be given, yeah. Then you decide that who's worthy, who's not. That's okay to have a platform, to have parents. Of course, if my father was here, if my father, for example, is an IPS or something, he would always, I will always have an upper hand to be in the lobby or something like that. But having said that, you cannot just, not let a person in just because he or she doesn't belong to a certain fraternity, or I would say doesn't belong to that area, so that you don't get to be there.
But tell me one more thing also. You said that, you wanted to be taken seriously as an actor. You had got stuck into a glamorous image. Would you agree to that? Because wherever the paparazzi was chasing you, the pictures that were being, out on social
Taken.
media, I think you were also posting on social media pictures which were too glamorous.
No, because I am somebody, I can never fake it. So for me, in a way, it was difficult. Though they say ki, we as an actors, we have to lie on screen constantly. As an actor, we are portraying whatever. That's not the truth, right? That's a real word. But having said that, I am a glamorous person. I have to work hard to just come across as someone. I'll have to make, like, कौन लड़की in today's time deliberately साड़ी और वो पहन कर घूमती है normal life में, like what I'm wearing, anybody would wear that, and I would just take a picture and post it, right? And I don't have God is kind to me, I got a good body, thankfully my genes are good, so why not, I will post. But I never made a deliberate effort कि अरे मैं पीछे ना रह जाऊं इसके लिए मुझे post करना है. No, nothing of that sort. I do things which my heart says, like I said. एंड आई विल नॉट मेक एन एफर्ट कि अरे ये चार लोग मुझे देख के बोले कि इसको इसमें ही देखना है इसलिए कास्ट कर ले. पीपल शुड कास्ट मी फॉर द टैलेंट आई हैव. समटाइम्स ऐसे, अच्छा ये पहन के जाओगे, उस कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर ने आपको उस कपड़े में देख लिया तो वो कास्ट कर लेंगे. नहीं, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है. दे विल ओनली कास्ट यू इफ दे वांट टू कास्ट यू. They will never cast you because you wore a sari today, or you wore a salwar kameez today, or you wore a bikini today. It's all here, and it's all a decision made before that. वो तो OTT, thanks to OTT, that people can see your performance in something which you had done, and whether you're a glamorous person or non-glamorous person, they will take you on the basis of your performance.
So what you're saying also is now that OTT is strictly performance oriented.
Absolutely. It is. You have to deliver. Like अगर आप glamorous भी हो, and even if you have like references or somebody calling for you कि इनको लो उनको लो whatever, even though you have to perform, you have to deliver for people to take you in. Like आपको दो तीन चीजें मिल जाएंगी. What about next fourth thing? You have to perform. You have to deliver. It's no masala movies that you keep doing the same thing and you'll still be taken. Audience has changed completely. Like I won't want to watch something like that if I'm just an audience. I would love to do masala films and everything, of course, for sure. But then even this.
Yeah.
So there are two sides of everything.
That's my next question. Because do you think that after you do a deglam role, you might again be considered only in such kind of roles?
No. Because right after this, in fact, before this, my another show is coming out.
Just before you start the reply, there is a herd mentality. And there's absolutely no doubt about that.
Yeah, absolutely.
So sometimes, or rather many times, typecasting does happen.
Most of the times. You are saying sometimes, I'm saying most of the times.
Which is what I'm
asking. No, but yeah, so that's what I said, ki maybe God is little kind to me. My another show is coming before Raktanchal releases, and that is too glamorous and ballistic and high on performance. She's divas, again based on true events. She's a diva of 90s and she's high on life. So that's completely opposite of Raktanchal, the girl I'm playing. I can't wait to share the details. उसका अभी थोड़ा patch work बाकी है 2-3 दिन का, and poster shoot we have done. That look, if you see me, you will not be able to recognize me. So again, I'm the lead of that show. So let's see. God, क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं वो तो है, but I am doing my best whatever I can. So these two roles are too different. So it's extremely different. Like it's too simple and politician. That's too like a diva and very bold girl.
But I think work
So
is work. As long as you get work
work is work.
and it's good, I think
That's the beauty of this profession, actually.
I understand your perspective. I understand. So going back to Raktanchal, how easy or tough it is to shoot amid such conditions, in today's times of COVID.
It's actually very challenging, yeah, because you never know. Abhi to, like we are wearing two masks, sanitizing all the time. The unit is very close knit. We are not meeting new people. But since we have to go to different locations every day, so it's a challenge because every day we go to a village or some other place. It's a new location, new locality. So you have to be very careful with drivers, with everybody around, even the hotel staff. It's very challenging, and makeup hota hai, hair hota hai, everything is in very close vicinity. So have to be very careful. But most of the people are like हमारे set पे जो पहले थे वो vaccinated थे, हम लोग का अभी start हो जाएगा अभी first onwards. So yeah, we are taking all the precautions, but it's not same यार. Unit इतना छोटा हो गया है, एक time set हो गया that this time to this time only you can shoot. So all those things are there. Like earlier, if there was a gap of 3-4 days or 5 days, we used to fly to Bombay and do our other things. Right now, we are avoiding to unnecessary travel. Everybody's sitting here and doing our own jazz, whatever we are doing. So all those things we are taking. Of course, it's difficult for producers as well because it's all added expenses.
But
But
Sonia,
safety comes
at least
first.
you are doing work, howsoever
Yeah,
uh,
situation is. God is kind.
is, and there are so many people who have run out of jobs, who have you know absolutely nowhere to go.
Right.
So
I totally agree
correct
with
me if
you.
I'm
Right.
wrong. I just heard that your sister has also got COVID.
Yeah. My sister got COVID. Day before yesterday, we found out.
And how did that happen? I mean, did she have any symptoms?
Oh, she had very mild symptoms. She said that she had probably some cold flutes or something, and she was facing some throat infection. She was coughing. I told her just go get your and her BP blood pressure was just going little down, like systolic and diastolic was 60 and 80, and I was like, this is unreal. You have to go get an oximeter and all. I told my Jiju. So yeah, she's little better because she had started the medication much prior to it. She was taking for throat infection, but then she was found positive, and even Jiju is positive. So yeah, we were worried, of course. Weakness, see, then she was little stressed, and she was crying because of the situation is such we can't really help it. Then I told her you have to be strong because my sister's name is Mona. I was like, Mona, you have to be strong. If you cry, we will feel weak because I am so apart and mom, dad are there. So, they'll feel very helpless. So you have to just be strong because if you're mentally strong, you can deal with it. Because so many close ones, near and dear ones, we've heard very unfortunate things and they are finding it difficult and everything. So yeah, but she's strong girl. I'm sure she'll be fine. Then I also started to cry because you get emotional and everything. You get worried. But then yeah, she's better.
I'm sure she'll get better. How is your brother-in-law?
Thank you. Brother-in-law is also better. उनको इतना fever नहीं है. My sister was more weak and this thing.
Right, right. But all said and done, from Ranchi Diaries, you have come a long way.
Yeah.
Raktanchal is a very good platform for you.
Yes.
We are
Yes.
really looking
I
forward
believe
to
so.
this show, and we are sure it will be a very nice one, and you'll do also very well. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
All your future
Thank you
assignments.
so much. Thank you.